This is the Avantree Aria 8090T, Bluetooth headphones adapter gaming combo that produces high-quality stereo sound even when you're using Discord. Here's a look at the box contents. First, plug the adapter into a USB port. And power the headphones on. They should automatically connect. Next, go to your PC's audio settings menu and make sure that the Avantree device has been set as the default input and output device. If you're using a conversation software such as Discord, please go into the software settings menu and make sure that you select the Aria 90B as the default input and output device as well. To use the Aria 8090T with your PS4 or PS5, first plug the adapter into a USB port on the console and power the headphones on. They should automatically connect. Next, go to the sound settings menu on your PlayStation. Set the Avantree device as the default input and output device. Power on the headphones. Push and hold the power button at the pair position until you see the indicator flashing red and blue. Go into your device's Bluetooth menu. Search and select Avantree AS90T to connect. If you'd like to hear yourself during a call, press and hold the mic button for 3 seconds during a call to activate the Sidetone feature. There are 2 ways to charge the headphones. You may either use the charging stand or a USB Type-C cable. Both are included in the package. To charge using the headphone stand, place the headphones onto the charging stand. The indicator will turn white while charging and turn green when the charging is complete. On the other hand, if you'd like to use a Type-C cable for charging, simply connect one end of the Type-C cable into the headphone's charging dock, the other end to a power source. The indicator on the headphone will turn red while charging and automatically dim out when the charging is complete. Still not sure what to do? Click the link in the description below and visit our support site for more step-by-step instructions. Thanks for watching.